recording. We got in here. Everyone but Andrew and Aaron, but Aaron's probably over on Facebook, maybe. So, all right, here we go. Hold up, let me get my cool lights on in the back. Oh, look at that. All right, where's my box cutter? This is a little bit better than yesterday, but we got it done yesterday. I know everyone wanted to open it up, so glad we could do it. Yep, let me just double check again. Yep, I'm recording. I know that video quality of the yesterday's break was not the greatest, but it happens, I guess. Okay, empty box. Let me pop these open. Triple empty box. Should be 10 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 packs. Knocked my guy over. Okay, here we go. You guys see the teams up there? Can you guys see them fine? Is it big enough? Should be, I hope. Big enough. Okay. Love these packs. Right off the bat, field level Josh Jacobs. So these have the purple die cuts, right? So there's one of them. Saquon Barkley. And there's supposed to be 4 cards, right? Let me check the box. 10 packs, 4 cards per pack. What? That pack only had 3 cards. So you guys saw me up on that, so that is weird. Yeah, hopefully. Jalen Johnson rookie. This one actually feels thicker already. I don't know why. I know everyone says that, but it does. Dwayne Haskins. Denzel Mims. Yeah, this one has 5. That is so weird. Michael Pittman Jr. Die cut, purple die cut. And a Lamar Jackson turbocharged. And then a Kenneth Murray rookie. That's so weird that they do that. I mean, I'm sure they don't do it on purpose, but Kyler Murray. Boom, there's a decent one. Jalen Hurts, purple for the Eagles, which was trying to search there. Oh, Eli. Okay, yep. Ooh, there's a white Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Who got the Colts?
Aaron, I think, has the Colts.
Aaron? Yep. And then the last card is a Jason Witten. These white ones aren't numbered, but I think they're, pretty decently short printed. More short printed than the obviously those purple ones. So nice. That's a pretty big card. Actually, Aaron, I know Aaron jumped in a couple of breaks off of eBay and stuff, and I actually graded a white field level Herbert of his, and I got a 9.5 SGC. So Aaron's on a little white select run here. Jordan Love and an Emmitt Smith purple. Just love how off-centered those are. There's a Joe Burrow select rookie and Anthony McFarlane.
How far
How far? You mean centered? Oh, yeah. I'm not sure how. I know they. I mean, they have the writing on the side, so I don't know how. Yeah, yeah. I was talking about the centering on this one, but I think all those ones are off centered. But yeah. CJ Henderson. We got looks like a silver coming up behind this. Alex Smith, purple. And an AJ Brown, silver prism. And then a Zach Moss rookie card. I think we're about halfway through. Gardner Minshew, Jeff Okudah, purple, rookie card, and a Terrell Davis, and then an Odell Beckham Jr. 1, 2, 3, 4 packs left. Jordan Fuller, Devin Asiasi, purple. TJ Watt, Hot Stars, and a Brandon Ayuk, rookie. 3 packs left. Sam Darnold, Christian McCaffrey, 2 of the exact same die cut. A white die cut. Another white die cut. Maybe it's not as rare as I thought, since we got 2 of them in the same box. Alex Smith. And an Aaron Rodgers. It's weird when they're the same exact die cut behind each other. Weird feeling them. Second to last pack. Patrick Queen. We got a Van Der Esch, purple prism die cut, a Drew Brees turbocharged, and a Dak Prescott. Last pack. Here we go. So we got a prism. Give it away, but Cam Newton, Kyler Murray, purple die cut, and the prism is a Patrick Mahomes field level. Who's got the Chiefs? Josh. Look at that. Bang. And Antonio Gibson field level. Dang, that's a pretty nice one right there. Can't complain about that. Brent, you're like, why did I give him that spot, huh? Well, that's going to do it, guys. I think that the Mahomes and this Jonathan Taylor, I don't know how much this is going for, but white one's pretty sweet. Then we had one Burrow, but no Herbert. Thanks for joining in, guys. Obviously, you guys can see I got one more Select Mega Box and a couple more Prism Megas. And then I also have this hanging out. 2 of them. 18-19 Hoops. Has the Luka rookie in it. I probably added in on one of these Prism Megas, one in each of them or something. Give a chance at a couple more teams, you know. So, that does it for the Select Mega. I will get them sorted and everything and update everything tonight. Thanks for joining, guys.